Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the FutureWay HEPA H11 air filter replacement for the Blueair air purifier.
These are the aftermarket air filters, which come in a 2-pack, and the filters are individually packed. Each air filter measures 14¼ inches wide, 18 inches tall, and 1¾ inches thick. The outer frame is made from a sturdy cardboard material, and there are 2 pull tabs on the side that faces out for easy removal. One side of the filter has the pleated, non-woven HEPA filter, while on the reverse you have an activated carbon sponge filter, which is supposed to help filter out smoke and odors. This layer purportedly has thermally bonded activated carbon pellets, though it is difficult to verify these claims. The HEPA side is tightly pleated and uniform, with deep dust capture channels, just like the OEM filters from Blueair. Around the outside perimeter, there is a foam gasket to help prevent dust and particles from escaping around the filter frame. As you can see, the existing air filter that came with my Blueair Classic 280i air purifier is pretty dirty after 6 months of use, so we're going to go ahead and carefully remove it. Clean the interior chamber out of any residue, debris, and dust, and install our third-party replacement HEPA filter with the pleated side facing out. My filters also came with a handy date sticker, so you can record when the filter was changed and when the next replacement date should be, about 6 months out. On the control panel, you'll see the change filter light remains illuminated in orange, so to reset it, simply touch and hold the filter icon for 10 seconds until the light goes out. Now when I turn on the air purifier, the filter icon displays blue, and the machine runs normally. Fast forward another 6 months and just look at all the dust and debris that was filtered out from our air. The filter appears dark and splotchy. This is all the dust, hair, pollen, and other contaminants floating around our home that we would otherwise be breathing in. So I definitely think it's worth it to have an air purifier in our home to keep the air we breathe in clean. The best part is that this 2-pack costs about half as much as a single replacement dual filter from Blueair, and the 2-pack will last a whole year if changed at 6-month intervals. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.